Market equilibrium, combining supply and demand. When consumers buy goods and producers sell goods, their interaction lead to the determination of an equilibrium price in the market. Equilibrium price is the price at which the quantity that sellers are willing to sell equals the quantity that consumers are willing to purchase. When the market is not in equilibrium, it is either in a shortage or a surplus. A shortage is characterized by an excess in demand. It is a situation in which the quantity demanded is greater than the quantity supplied. This occurs when the price in the market is below the equilibrium price. A surplus is characterized by an excess in supply. It is a situation in which the quantity supplied is greater than the quantity demanded. This occurs when the current price in the market is above the equilibrium price. Looking at the supply and demand schedule for bicycles, at a price of $200, the quantity demanded is 9 and the quantity supplied is 9. Thus, the market is in equilibrium. Looking at the graphical representation of equilibrium, you can see that the quantity supplied equals the quantity demanded, which in this case is at 9. In this case, there is neither a shortage nor a surplus. At a price of $160 per each bicycle, the quantity supplied is 4 and the quantity demanded is 14, thus resulting in a shortage of 10 bicycles. The shortage will eventually cause the price to rise. At a price of $260, we see that the quantity supplied is 15 and the quantity demanded is 3, thus resulting in a surplus of 12 bikes. The surplus will eventually cause the price to fall. At a price of $260, producers are willing and able to produce 15 bicycles, but at a high price of $260, consumers are only willing and able to purchase 3 bicycles. Changes in either supply or demand, or both, will result in shifts in either the supply curve or the demand curve, or both respectively. These shifts in the supply curve and the demand curve will result in the change in prices and quantities. An increase in demand will shift the demand curve to the right, resulting in a higher equilibrium price and quantity. A decrease in demand will shift the demand curve to the left, resulting in a lower equilibrium price and quantity. An increase in supply will shift the supply curve to the right, resulting in a lower equilibrium price and a higher equilibrium quantity. A decrease in supply will shift the supply curve to the left, resulting in a higher equilibrium price and a lower equilibrium quantity.